Howdy y'all, this is K1Locks, and today I come with you with a pick by Albert Lebel called Puppet. That's right, Puppet. So, it's a Yale style keyway. It's a Croner or Kramer or something like that. So, I've opened this guy once. What I'd like to do is open it for you again. On the film. Alright, enough of this is the film. I've got a little bit of movement on it now. Maybe that's a negative movement, but man, when this thing moves, it's like micro movements, man. That's a little bit better. Like I'm constantly fighting this thing one way or the other, man. And there we go. We got her. Sweet. Man, that took a minute. A minute longer than I had hoped it would. Anyway. So, that's all right. Got her open. That's the name of the game. Getting them open. So. Number 84, dude. Wow. Dude, I don't even know how many challenge locks I've made, but I know a lot of them are stuck in fucking limbo somewhere. Raise your hand if you feel like some of your locks are out there in fucking limbo.
I'd rather
Stop.
not answer that.
That's good. I don't want you to.
Thanks.
Good. Shut up. I get to find out why this thing was such a tough bastard. Standard. 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 Standard and standard. And nothing done to the core. Check that out. Look at that. Not a damn thing. Nice. I like that. I really like that. Nothing's been done to the core at all. Wow. Let's see if I can zoom in again here. That works. Ooh. Serrated. The copper spring. You know, the more and more I do it, the more I don't like dumping out springs. Sometimes they can be such a pain in the ass to get back in there. These are all homemade spools, I'm pretty sure. I really think they are anyway. Christian the bike. Yeah, dude, check this shit out. All the same springs. Doesn't matter. The key pins are all solid, right? I bet you nothing's been done to the core, to the Bible either. Nope, not a damn thing's been done to the Bible. All the magic, folks, is right here on the top. Serrations all across the board. Really interesting, man. Really interesting. Al, thank you so much for this lock. This lock again is Puppet. By Albert Lebel. There you are. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.